Mahindra. Our topic is role of technology in present society. And our team is LL Praveen, Rao Kumar, Mahesh, Manikumar, and Ajay Kumar.
Yes, you know that as you know that the technology is improving today in many of the sectors like agriculture and defensive and intelligence, model sector. As we come into the India is a backbone of the agriculture. So we are discussing about the agriculture, the technology, how much advancing in the agriculture sector. So in agriculture, technology has been advanced in many of the ways like improving the techniques like tractors, pesticides instead of the fertilizers, etc. In order to increase the productivity of the.
But as we see by using the fertilizers and pesticides, by using them we degrade the soil. That means the soil fertility is losing. So there will be no land in the future for doing the agriculture, and there will be very shortage of food for the future population.
In the movie one, they show that the technology how it is advanced. So they show a plant, golden rice, which can grow in deserts, and even though there is no water, there is no fertilizer, so it can produce the production. So if we follow the technology, definitely it can give us a good product, so which will enough to fulfill the need of the population which we have in the country. We have a population of 120 crores, so it can fulfill that. So by that,
By developing the hybrid technologies, the soil fertility should be damaged. So we have utilized the minimum technology and maximum product, so we can improve our product rate.
Also, not only as the technology is improved, we can also it is also improved in the field of power production also, and also in power production, and in India is vastly produces power by thermal energy 80% and nuclear energy of 4%. So we are vastly improved in the technological side in power production, and also there is a need for improvement of the technology in India.
Because of this, the gold mining will take place in the earth. Due to this, the earthquakes, tsunami, everything will be take place and disturb the ecosystem of the earth.
But not only this, as we see by using the nuclear reactors, so we have to decompose the nuclear waste. So for decomposing, we cannot directly decompose it. So we have to decompose it in the earth, and it should be stayed for many years. So this will cause the radiation of death, and that will be a very serious problem.
so I agree with that. But now our technology is advanced to minimize the effects what coming from those. So for that, our government is focused on that, like as renewable sources, like as windmills, solar power plants, to minimize the effect of those pollutions and those all. And the power which can produce from this is so cheaper than the thermal power. So our government is focused on that to reduce the burdens on the people, and it can give a better life. So to reduce the diseases and all the effects on the community. So, and not only in this, in education also technology plays a major role. Like at present, even though we miss any class, so we can connect the e-classes from that net websites. So there is so many websites, we can connect those. And not only in this, in communication, so many things. If you want any doubt, we can collect information from that, and we can see. Okay, so we can learn anything. Even though there is no teacher, there is no availability of our friends or teachers, anyone, we can individually learn. So further down, it gives so much of scope.
But there won't be any communication between the teacher and the student. In communication, the learning skills are there, and there are also listening skills. Without listening skills, there won't be any learning skills.
And as we also see that from the internet and from the internet, we can learn science. But the culture we have, this will not be transferred to our those generations. So there should be a direct contact between the teacher and the student. So in my opinion, this is good, but not that.
Of course, the technology also implements that how to improve our culture, include that introducing that about the WhatsApp and the Facebook, etc. in order to improve our culture and the functionality.
We have to think it's negative or positive. So mainly teenagers are attracted to negative side only. So we have to.
Because it is but cannot take the technological improvement as a negative side. And also there is a vast improvement in the field of Facebook and something and so on, which improves the human interaction between the through knowledge, through science. And also, but
medicine also it plays a major role. And because of at ancient times they need to cure the diseases what they face it. So by taking operations, if they face that they need to take a rest for 1 or 2 months. But at now the technology upgraded like that means so it can cure the disease even within fraction of hours also. We can cure that within fraction of hours and so it makes so better than that.
the uses of the technology might use that. How do we improve that? Improve the technology with respect to the present usage.
But also we have to see that while using the medical technologies like laser and ultrasonic testing, we have to see also its side effects. There are many people who are suffering from these side effects. So we should also notice that.
Technology is like if your fire is used for lighting a candle, it gives a light. But if you use it for firing, it will destroy everything. So, like water, tragedy, everything.
So okay, as we conclude that the technology is required for our survival, but the technology which is more than our requirements is not necessary.